Okay, so we'll be doing these ones after, but first we'll be doing this one, an air bomb, and then a sonic banger. I'll do one, and then I'll do one and you do one. Okay, so we'll do this air bomb first. Okay, hold on. Let me just poke her in the ground. Hold that for a second.
I think I might have broken it.
Hold that. Okay. I'm gonna here, just camera. I'll like both of them. Okay, place that.
Okay, I don't know how to camera this.
Okay, I'll do it. Okay.
Is this on or?
Just follow it. It's on. Just follow
I
it.
can't see anything coming through it though.
Can you see it? Can you see the lighter?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready? Okay, this is an air bomb. Okay, you got that one? Okay.
I don't know if I got it in the air though.
That's okay. Okay, trying to follow it. Okay, oops. Oh yeah, you did break the bottom on this one.
Make it a pile.
That's okay. Okay, this is a sonic banger. Pretty much the same thing.
I might have got that one.
Okay, keep the video on. Okay,
All
now,
right, the box.
no,
Nope.
these two.
All right.
Okay, so now we're going to be doing a cherry bomb and a thunder flash
Alright.
4000.
Okay.
Similar, but a bit better. Okay, so next is the cherry bomb. Okay. Get this all piled up. Alright, here we go. Cherry bomb. If my lighter will work. This one has some color to it.
Nice.
Okay, now this is one of my personal favorite air bombs. Called a Thunder Flash 4000.
It's gonna fall over.
Make sure you get this one.
Oh, I got it.
Okay.
Garbage.
Alright. That was the air bombs.